Hello everyone, in GK the new topic is great composers. A composer is a person who writes music. Here identify these famous composers and write their names in the blanks. Choose your answer from the help box. The first one is popularly known as the Mozart of Madras. This well-known composer from Chennai has 2 Oscars, 2 Grammys, a BAFTA and a Golden Globe Award to his credit. And the answer is A.R. Rahman. Second is, though he became deaf in his midlife, this German composer created some of the most influential pieces of music ever. And the answer is Ludwig Beethoven. This famous sitar player and music composer played a key role in popularizing Indian music in the Western world. He won 4 Grammys and the Bharat Ratna Award. And the answer is Ravi Shankar. Next is, this famous musician from Assam sang about humanity and universal brotherhood. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in November 2011. Here the meaning of posthumously means after death of the originator. And the answer is Bhupen Hazarika. Considered to be among the greatest composers ever, this Viennese was a child prodigy. He composed 16 operas, 41 symphonies, 27 pianos and 5 violin concertos. And the answer is Wolfgang. Next is, this Indian violinist, composer and music conductor is internationally famous for his techniques of classical, Carnatic as well as Western classical music compositions. And the answer is L. Subramaniam. And the last one is, he was a famous composer of Indian film industry whose nickname was Pancham. In 2013, India Post released a stamp bearing his face to honor him. And the answer is Rahul Dev Burman. Next topic is Indian women in sports. Here the question is, identify these famous Indian sports stars and the sports they are associated with, and write the correct letters in the boxes and correct number in the circle. Choose your answer from the help box given here. The first picture is, this one is Sania Mirza. And the correct answer is C, Sania Mirza, and correct number is tennis. Sania Mirza is an Indian professional tennis player, a former double world number 1. She has won 6 Grand Slams title in her career. Here the second picture is Deepa Karmakar, and sports associated with her is gymnastics, and she represented India at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, becoming the first Indian female gymnast ever to compete in the Olympics. This picture is PV Sindhu, and the game associated with her is, this is badminton, and she is an professional badminton player. Next is Sakshi Malik, and game associated with her is wrestling. Sakshi Malik is an Indian freestyle wrestler. At the 2016 Summer Olympics, she won the bronze medal in the 58 kg category, becoming the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at the Olympics. Next is, this image is Sania Nehwal, the first ever badminton player from India to clinch an Olympic medal. Next is MC Mary Kom, and the sports associated with her is boxing. And She is 5 times world champion in boxing and the only Indian woman boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. Next is Jhulan Goswami, and the sports associated with her is cricket. She is an Indian international cricketer and the former captain of Indian national women's cricket team. Next is Hina Sidhu, and she is an Indian sport shooter. Last is Deepika Pallikal, and she is an Indian professional squash player. She is the first Indian to break into the top 10 in the PSA women's ranking. That's all of today, children. Thank you.